Welcome! Are you looking to boost your audit team's competence? Today, we'll explore the On-the-Job Training Guide, Audit Investments in Subsidiaries, Associates, and Joint Ventures, a resource designed to elevate auditing practices in small and medium-sized practices. Perfect for audit supervisors and those entering the field, this guide is a game changer. Wondering why this guide is a valuable investment? It strengthens competencies in areas that demand precise knowledge of standards and audit processes. You'll find comprehensive guidance to enhance both efficiency and effectiveness in tackling complex investment audits. Let's start with one of its core features, detailed task analysis. From lead schedules to impairment testing, this guide takes you step by step through critical audit tasks related to investments. Every procedure is clarified to ensure compliance and consistency. Essential competencies are another standout feature. This guide builds the skills to assess risk factors, fair values, and control effectiveness, key areas every audit professional must master. Aligning with financial reporting standards, this guide ensures audit procedures stay accurate and compliant. It incorporates the latest practices so that your audit team always performs to the highest standard. What are the real benefits for audit teams? By integrating this guide, your team will conduct thorough, error-free audits. The structured framework is perfect for preventing deficiencies and ensures quality control in every engagement. This guide isn't just for seasoned auditors. It's ideal for audit supervisors, SMPs, and students preparing for the audit profession. If you want to elevate in-house training, look no further. Ready to transform your audit training? Visit the PayHip Marketplace to get your copy of the On-the-Job Training Guide, Audit Investments in Subsidiaries, Associates, and Joint Ventures. Elevate your team's skills and bring consistency to every audit.